So this is the quality we talk about. If you're talking about breeding, this is our aim. So I think you can see the percentages, how these guys are really doing. This will be the best experience and happiness of the farmers. But now I know a farmer will lose the interest if one of these wakes up in the morning and it's already dead. So your question is, you can have this, but how do you manage it? That's also another strong point I think you can see. So these are savannas, others are pures, and others are crosses. So like now the moms have gone and the guys are busy here also chilling